Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Check out my skin. I just wanted you guys to see how my face looks. I washed it, right? I'm using a La Roche-Posay cleanser. And look, it's like patchy dryness. Sometimes I don't know what to do. I have a few breakouts here and there. But look around my So what do I do in this situation? Okay, so I pulled out this daily hydrating overnight face oil. I'm just gonna use this for around my nose and lips because it's super dry. It's from Shea Moisture. That helps a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna use this Daily Facial Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40 by Trader Joe's, and it's this gel moisturizer. Okay, I'm gonna apply my Milani lip oil. Redness. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Super Stay Active Wear 30-hour foundation, medium beige, 129. Because it's gonna be a long day and I love this foundation for that. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand and then I'm gonna get my brush. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. brush. It's a buffing foundation brush, and apply it on my face. I forgot to use the spray primer. I could put it on right now. By e.l.f. Put it right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna get this Bear With Me Concealer Serum by NYX. And I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush. Oops. And apply it. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder to set all my stuff on. This is by Real Techniques. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Art Library Flamboyant Powder Palette eyeshadow. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Anyways, I'm gonna get this color right here. It's like a light brown. I'm gonna start off with that. I'm gonna use that on my crease. Usually I start off at the outer corner and work my way in. So it should look like this. Then I'm gonna get this darker color here. It's like a darker brown. I'm gonna use that all over my lid. You'll see why. Now I'm gonna get this lighter color from the palette. This one is called Samoa Silk. I think that's what it's called. And I'm gonna place that underneath my brow.
Hi, Daddy.
Okay, so now I'm gonna pull out this colorful palette. It's called it's the MAC Art Library It's Designer palette. And it looks like this. And I'm gonna use this shimmery blue turquoise looking color. I don't know, it looks really nice, and I swatched it and it looked really cute, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get a flat shading brush. This one's by MAC. You can use any flat shading brush you want. And I'm gonna place that on my lid. So this is how it came out. By the way, that color is called Gallerina. I hope I'm reading them right. I'm trying to match them up to like the layout, but I'm gonna use this other slimmer brush. It's like a flat shady brush. And I'm gonna use that same blue and I'm gonna put that on the bottom of my eye. I almost feel like getting that other blue that's next to it, this one, just to make it, you know, blend it in and make it pop maybe. Ooh. That looks cute. Lighter blue. I don't know, I just decided to do a blue eyeshadow look today. I did too much pink and all that red and stuff. I'm gonna get that same blue on my eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna dust it off all over my lid on top of that other color just to see if it creates something. Like make it brighter, you know what I mean? That other blue is called Triennial Wave. It's this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna curl my lashes. This is an e.l.f. eyelash curler. I'm gonna use this mascara Lash Blast from CoverGirl. And I'm gonna place that on my lashes. Okay, so I got my mascara in and now I'm gonna apply these lashes and I'm getting them ready for it. So I'll show you how it looks when I'm done with it. Okay, I got this lash on. I'm about to apply the other one. I just want you guys to see the difference. This is by Kiss. It's the Foaming Collection and they are called Little Black Dress. They're very simple. They're not too much. And that's exactly what I wanted today. Simple lashes. Put in the glue. And I'm also gonna apply some on my lash line. Oh, that was too much. These are my lashes and they're both now on. So let's move on with the rest of the face. I am going to contour. Okay, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. contour palette and I'm gonna get my angled brush by Eco Tools. Get the darkest shade, a little bit of the lighter shade, and contour my face. Now I'm gonna get the Makeup Revolution blush palette. I really love this because it has so many colors. And today I'm gonna be using, I don't know, they're all beautiful. Probably this one, since I'm wearing a dark blue. You know what, I'm gonna get this other one. I'm gonna get this brush. It's by Makeup Revolution, okay? And I'm gonna use this one and a little bit of this one, both pinks. They kind of look the same, huh? I think one's darker. Anyways, I'm gonna place that on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so now I'm gonna place a little bit more powder on my T-zone, and I'm getting just a brush, a powder brush. This one's by Eco Tools. Just gonna put it on my T-zone, making sure everything is blended. And I'm gonna set my makeup with my e.l.f. Mist and Set. This one right here. Okay, so the lipstick that I decided to go with, it's called Petal, and this one's by Milani. I am going to place that. No lip liner. Wow, I think this lipstick is perfect with this eye look. Oh my god. And that completes my look, everybody. What do you guys think? Look at my skin. Look how well it fills in all my, I don't know, textured skin. That's why I love this foundation. It's by Maybelline. Ooh, yeah. And, oh yeah. I'm gonna spray some of this. This is the Victoria's Secret Tease. I want to get a different one. And there it is. I have all these swatches on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to be wearing this shirt and some jeans and my bag. And I think I'm ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. This concludes my makeup for today. Thank you guys for joining me today, for getting ready with me. And I can't wait to film the next video. Thank you guys so much for your support. All my new subscribers, thank you. All my returning subscribers, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Help my channel out. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day and have a great weekend. See you in the next one.